हेलो रौनक,
हेलो सर।
कैसे हो?
आई एम फाइन।
बढ़िया। क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
सर गुड।
तो आप सब जानते होंगे रौनक को। तो करीब 8 महीने हो गए रौनक को मेरे पास पढ़ते हुए, और बीच में रौनक थोड़ा गायब हो गए थे, वापस से आ गए हैं। तो आज अब मैं आपको फिर से रौनक से मिलवाता हूँ। आपने चैनल पर रौनक की अदर वीडियोज़ भी देख रखी होंगी। सो टुडे ओनली रौनक विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड आई विल आंसर ईच ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है? सिर्फ आप क्वेश्चन पूछो बढ़िया बढ़िया क्वेश्चंस, और मैं अच्छे से आपको जवाब दूंगा। So, hello everyone, welcome to Inside Academy. Today we are again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about some crucial points with Ronak. Ronak will be asking questions to me and I'll be answering each of the questions. Ronak is just 8 or 9 years old and he is standing just beside me, and he is sending a simple message to every one of you that if he can speak in English, then you can also speak in English. You can also learn English. Whatever is the matter, wherever you are living in the country, across the world, you can learn English. Okay? If you don't have any environment like this, you can go on YouTube, you can go on any kind of institutions, but you don't have to think about saving money. Instead, you should go for learning English, because what English can give you, you are not aware of that. So, Ronak, start.
Sir, why do we need water?
Why do we need water? We need water to consume in our health, so that without water we cannot live. The functioning of our body cannot take place without water. So that's why we drink water. And doctor says that you should drink water in a proper amount.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, that why have you teach only English? You can teach maths also, because you also know maths.
Yeah, why do I teach only English? I am also capable of teaching mathematics. You're trying to say this?
Yeah.
Actually, maths is my favorite subject, and English is my most scoring subject. I thought that there is a huge problem in the society of speaking English. I saw many people, many students basically, they are paying 4,000 rupees per month in their school. What is your fee monthly?
500.
5,000 rupees.
5,000.
I'm not talking about this tuition, your school fee.
700.
Seven?
7,000.
Approx 6,000 or 5,000 rupees fee is the Ronak's fee, and he's studying in a, you can say, top-notch school. Okay, but still he comes here to learn in English because he is not getting that environment. And the fact of the matter is that in spite of focusing in the schools, like you can say, as he is paying that amount of money, he should not even come here. He should be given another level of treatment. Everything, whatever he is studying totally in English. The books are totally in English. If there is a child, there is a person, there is a boy, or there is a girl who he or she is not able to speak in English, he is not able to understand what the book is saying, then how can he go for further studies? Even in mathematics questions, there is English.
Yeah.
And if you do not know that meaning, then how will you solve the problem? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, you are not wrong, you are right.
I'm right. So I saw such problems, and then I decided that I'm able to teach in English. And I used to teach somewhere for a year. I taught there for only 1 hour, and then I started my own tuition classes. And now I'm studying here right now. I operated my Instagram. I operate my YouTube channel as well. I'm making videos, and in future I'm gonna have multiple plans about speaking. I have a dream that I will make everyone speak in English, irrespective of age, irrespective of you can say knowledge, irrespective of class knowledge, irrespective of gender, anything. If someone or anyone is coming to me, I'll teach them English.
Okay, sir. In which chapter is your? In which chapter do you feel that it is hard?
I think when I teach causative sentences, make, get one, get to, help, so these are the hard chapters, because it becomes very hard to understand those, because there is a term used other person, as you know. Yeah, I have taught you. Next.
Okay, sir. That in your breakfast, what have you take?
What have I taken?
Yeah, what I have.
Today I did not take anything in my breakfast, because I got late today. But I have cooked food, so now I will go and I'll have that.
Okay. Does CM ma'am cook food for you?
No, CMM does not cook food for me. I cook food for myself, and no one cooks food for me, Ronak. I cook food.
No, she should cook because she is a girl. She know that how to cook food.
Yeah, she is a girl, she should cook, but she does not have time, and she will cook food at her home or at my home, first of all. And second thing, she does not have time. Even I do not have time. The way I have my life, exactly in the same way she also has her life. You also have your own life. Why will anyone cook food? I think that everybody should learn how to cook food, even you also.
Yeah.
Because we cannot be dependent on anybody.
Yeah.
We can have to cook food on our own. Okay?
Sir, but you gives her, you gives,
You give.
you give to her money
For what?
to teach, and if you can give more money, then she cannot.
Okay. First of all, are you not scared of such questions?
No.
I don't pay her money. I do not give her money. We both have opened these tuition classes collectively. Okay? The investment that already had been made has been made by both of us. Only I have not given, like you can say, money. I have not done the things. She also has taken part in it. Okay, first of all, and collectively the tuition was opened with 4 people: Anurag, Pooja, Sia, and Suman. But somehow Pooja is not here with us today, and because she got a job, I think so. But now she's working somewhere. But now we have 3 people around us, and this tuition is not only mine. I have not hired, okay? So do not feel that I have hired CMM. No, CMM is also my business partner, okay? And she is working and she is teaching there only subjects, and I handle English classes, spoken classes. Subject classes are provided because that suppose you are in class 4th, 5th and 6th. You will come to me, and after that you will also have to go somewhere else to learn your subject. So there was a problem. So to solve that problem of subject, we thought that we should open our own subject classes so that the children who are willing to learn, they can come to us, and after that they can simply move their batch to the English batch. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, why have you gone? Why have you gone in your village that time?
You are making so many mistakes today. Why did you go to village?
Why did you go to village?
I went to village to attend my mama's wedding.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Miss Sasikala Devi.
Do you have one sister or brother?
I have only one brother.
Can you tell us his name?
His name is Ayush, and nickname is Chotu.
Why is his name only Chotu?
His name is Chotu because when he was younger, when he was in his little age, then people used to say him Chotu idara, Chotu idara, Chotu kahan ja raha, Chotu khana kha. So we named him Chotu. Now people know him Chotu. He is known for Chotu.
Do you know that Chotu Dada?
Chotu Dada? I don't know who is Chotu Dada.
In cartoon,
Chotu? No, I don't know in cartoon Chotu
do you
Dada.
not see?
I don't watch cartoons.
In your childhood, do you not?
In childhood, I used to watch cartoons. I used to watch Motu or Patlu, Ki Jodi, and Ben 10, and Augie and Cockroaches, and yeah, only some of the cartoons I used to watch, and also Doraemon.
My cousin also like Doraemon.
Do you not like Doraemon?
No, I don't like Doraemon.
So what do you watch on phone or in TV?
I watch Augie and
Cockroaches. That's also like when we watch that we feel very happy. I get happy after watching that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, why do you wear that clothes in winter? That winter clothes. Why do we wear?
Why have you on? Why are you wearing this? To protect you
Yeah.
from the winter. In the same manner, I feel very cold, so that's why I wear winter clothes. When it will be summer, then I will leave wearing winter clothes. I will leave summer clothes.
Okay. Sir, in your childhood, in Holi, do you make with your friends or your father and mother?
When there is a festival, I go to my home. I celebrate with my family, with my father and my mother,
Not friends.
not with friends. On Holi, if I go with friends, then friends will make me black from every side. So I'm scared of that. So that's why I don't get.
Our friends do not do this.
You have some beautiful friends, handsome friends. So
No.
that's why they are well educated and multi-talented. So that's why they don't do that. But if I go to them on Holi, especially, then they just make me.
Because my friends scared of mothers.
Are scared of mothers. Okay, Ronak, I think this is enough for this video, and because we also have to shoot further videos, so that's why I'm going, and I have to go somewhere. So nice talking to you, and we'll meet in the next videos because Ronak is a little tired today, and I can feel that he has taken leave for so many days, so that's why he has not been speaking in that manner that he used to speak. So it happens, first of all. And one more thing, after learning English, you will realize that suppose if you have stopped speaking in English, you have stopped your spoken skills, then you will not be able to speak in English anymore. So in order to be consistent, you also need to be consistent, because if you want to speak in the same manner, the way you suppose just you learned how to speak in English, and today you are speaking very well. So if you want to retain this process, if you want to retain this level of your speaking skills, then you need to speak in a proper way on daily basis to anybody. And if suppose you don't have anyone to speak with, then you can call on our group and you can contact to us. We will provide you a member to speak in English. And if you don't have anybody, then you can also call to customer cares numbers 121, dial 121, dial all the customer executive numbers, and you just start talking to them. Make a call. This is totally toll-free numbers and free of cost. So you don't have to be panic about speaking skills. You just need to speak. Without speaking, you cannot even think that suppose there are many people who have knowledge about chapters, who have a great knowledge about grammar rules and all, but still they are fumbling, they get fumble. But this is the second step of speaking. I believe that if you have to speak, so first you need to learn the grammars. After learning grammars, you become capable of translating that sentence from Hindi to English, and once you are able to translate, then you can go for the speaking purpose. But without translating, if you think that you can go for speaking, don't know, you are in the wrong direction, you are wrong boat. So this was all for this video. I will shoot a new video for this, how to speak in English. Thank you.